Ferdinand Bol was born June 24, 1616, died August 24, 1680, was a Dutch painter, etcher and draftsman. Although his surviving work is rare, it displays Rembrandt's influence. Like his master, Bol favored historical subjects, portraits, numerous self-portraits, and single figures in exotic finery. Bol was a popular and successful painter. His palette had lightened, his figures possessed greater elegance, and by the middle of the decade he was receiving more official commissions than any other artist in Amsterdam.